Hey guys, welcome back. So for today, we will be making another appetizer. What we call this, the cucumber rolls. So before we start, we need to wear our PPE, our personal protective equipment, which is here. An energy transformation. We have the hairnet, the apron, and the plastic gloves. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. First, you need a cream cheese. Second, of course, we need one of the important, which is the cucumber, and 2 tomatoes. So okay, first you need to make sure that you wash the cucumber, and we will try to cut the cucumber into thin strips using a vegetable peeler. I recommend getting the thinnest cucumber because it will be easier to slice with the peeler in the center. But even if the cucumber you pick is too thick for the peeler to handle, just shimmy off what you can. So here's an example of the thin slice of the cucumber. So next up, you will slice your tomato into a mint size, which is like a tiny square. Next up is you put your sliced tomato, which is mint, into the cream cheese and mix it very well. Okay, next try to get a peeled cucumber slice and add a small spoonful of a filling over a cucumber slice. Next, starting from one to end, tightly roll the cucumber into a spiral. Repeat with remaining cucumber slices and filling. I suggest you do the plating after you roll them all up. and we're now almost done.